this life, Shark Puppet. Cheese, 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 cheese,
Mac
cheese,
and
cheese.
cheese!
Macaroni and cheese. 7 macaroni and cheese. Ooh, we're having cheesy life right now. Parmesan cheese.
Gorgonzola, formaggio, montavana.
More cheese. Cheese
Oh,
cookies.
this cheese was so good.
Ooh, I bet it was.
What's going on? Why do I feel so weird?
I think your stomach hurts.
Oh no!
Your stomach hurts. What the heck is going on out
Oh
there?
my god! That was not normal. I eat cheese all the time. Oh, what is going on? I need to go see a doctor. I need to...
Yeah, go see the doctor, Shark Puppet.
Doctor! I need help, doctor! I was eating cheese, right? And my stomach started hurting, and then I went in the bathroom, and then the toilet, and then explosions, stuff flying everywhere, Vietnam flashbacks. I don't even know what happened, man.
Ew.
Okay, I think I know what you might have the problem being. I'm gonna take care of you. Let's do a few tests.
Okay, test, okay.
Okay, they have to
Okay,
do
Shark
tests now.
Puppet. I'm gonna run a test on you right now.
Okay. Oh, Peppa
my-
Pig.
Oh, I love Peppa Pig. Let me put him over there.
Peppa.
Okay, you
What
ready?
is this? What is
This
this?
is a little test.
Oh, I can't breathe.
That's good for you. That's how I'm gonna find out if you're lactose intolerant.
Lactose? I don't
Okay.
have toes. I'm a shark. I don't
Lactose.
Lactose?
You
Why would I
saying
have
lactose
toes?
is-
You blow a lot of gas.
Oh, okay.
and you
Well,
do the big
do the
bombs in
test. Do the
toilet.
test. Do the test. What's wrong? What's up, Doc?
Something's bad.
What's
Shark Puppet,
what?
I don't know how to tell you this.
What?
You're lactose intolerant.
What?
You can't have
Lactose intolerant? Does
Can't
that
have no
mean
more
I?
cheese.
Does that mean I can't eat cheese?
No, not at all, Shark Puppet.
No more cheese, Shark Puppet.
No more cheese for you. That's his worst day of his life.
What?
That was the
What?
worst day of
I'm
his
sorry,
life.
Shark.
What? Don't.
No more cheese.
That's
That's
the
it.
worst
No.
day of his
No more
life.
cheese or dairy. Or you'll have a lot
No more
It's a
cheese.
sad moment, guys.
No
Sad
more
moment.
point in living.
No more point of living.
I wish I could eat cheese. I miss it so.
kid?
I'm lactose intolerant. I can't eat cheese anymore.
That's sad.
I got just the thing for you. Follow
You
me.
do?
That's
Okay,
sad.
let's go.
Yeah, he has a
So
cute
this is your
for
place, huh?
Yeah, that's my place. This is the
Wait,
stuff.
who is this? Who's
That's
this
my
guy with the gun?
bodyguard. Introduce
It's
yourself.
Dave.
Oh,
right.
Dave. Hey, what's up, Dave?
Dave.
Yeah.
Yeah. So what you got here?
Oh, I got the stuff. It's not even on the market yet. This is the stuff, the cure for lactose intolerance. This is the Gucci
The
medicine.
cure, you say? How
It's
much?
the cure.
Cure 50 grips.
50 grips?
50 grips.
How much is that? Like English?
50 G's.
50 G's, huh?
Yeah, you can afford it.
I could afford it.
Yeah, come on, try it. Look.
He's affording it. He stole it.
I just ran off with the pack. I
He
just
just
got
stole
the best of the
the
best.
cure.
Lactate. Enjoy dairy again. I'm so excited. Let me go get some cheese. I'll leave this right here. Oh yeah, cheese. Better eat some. What is
drink
going
guy
on?
has
What are you
the
doing with those
pills.
pills?
He's taking them.
My pill. Give me the back. Give me the back. Give me the. No, give me the back. Give me the back.
stealing.
Give me the back.
He's stealing them.
Oh my god, I just got knocked out.
He stole the pills.
The pills are gone too. Oh,
no.
oh, what am I gonna do? No more cheese. The
No.
monster ate the pills. Wait, who's calling me?
Is it
Hello?
the doctor?
Hello, Shark Puppet. This is Dr. Sharkstein. I have great news for you. You do not have lactose intolerance.
He just had
You
a
just
st-
have a stomach bug. That's great news,
a
isn't it?
stomach bug. He's gonna go eat cheese now.
Hey, Shark Puppet getting bread.
It's gonna leave for
What?
this time.
You heard what I said. Hey.